I'm a service technician at Coastline Equipment that has been working for over 5 years.
I've been in the automotive industry for roughly 30 years.
I'm a field technician here at Diamond A Equipment. I've been doing this for 5 years.
The Makita Grease Gun is very convenient and efficient, makes the job a lot easier.
My first thoughts on the Makita cordless grease gun: it's operable, handy, and it's quick.
But we've really been excited about the 2-speed, the automatic 2-speed. Comes in really handy when you're doing tight tolerance situations. You don't have to stop greasing, knock down into the first speed to get that higher pressure. You can stay in the second speed and it'll automatically kick down.
When I put it on 2, it's a lot quicker. When I put it on 1, it helps me with restriction on the pins that I need to grease.
We do a lot of fire trucks here, so we're using very large U-joints that take a lot of grease. So being able to go at a high speed, high volume, it's very nice.
The Makita cordless grease gun compared to the competitors in a way that it made me more efficient, and the Makita cordless grease gun was faster at the end of the day. It cut down my service time about 10 minutes.
I think the loading process is very convenient and simple. Back up and going again, so very nice.
They have this air bleed here on the end, and it really helps me give a peace of mind when I open the air bleed and I can hear the air come out.
The first thing I noticed was how easy it is to bleed. That was one of the things that fascinated me the most.
I do like that you can unlock and lock it, and it does have a light in the front.
Very comfortable in the hand, easy to fit into tight situations.
It's ergonomic, easy to handle, everything. Trigger's nice and smooth.
And then they also have this longer hose too that helps out a lot for getting into the longer, hard to reach remote situations.